Today we're working on the awning again. We cracked it here and here, and the other one we completely broke. And how we had done that is we had taken the awning and extended it out, put the legs off of the RV up into the RV, and then let it fall flat against the RV so we could clean it. That broke these. So don't do that. I've recruited Dan to help me again. Say hi, Dan.
Hello, guys.
And we're gonna see if we can knock it out.
I have video of us doing it. Today we are going to be cleaning and waterproofing our awning. Okay, so we just decided to go ahead and lower this all the way.
Can't hurt nothing.
Yeah.
Right?
Right? That's what we're hoping.
It's an old RV and we didn't want to break the awning trying to clean it. If it sucks, we'll let you know.
We'll let you know.
So we broke this one completely. As you can see, we completely broke it off. So this is what we'll have to replace, so it'll slide along here.
It takes a Robertson head screw to get the screws that we're taking out. If you're not familiar with it, a Robertson head is just a square bit.
See these two screws?
Okay, yeah.
Get a different screwdriver, get one that's a little thinner. But I'm using what I got.
It's a make it work moment.
Yeah, make sure that screw doesn't drop.
Make sure you don't lose your little screw. That's how little it is. In this segment, I'll be hiding one of 3 tools that Dan is using. So it not only is a minor repair, but a treasure hunt.
You just better make sure he hides the hammer, because if I have that, I will beat him senseless with it.
That's the tool I'll be hiding. Finding this type of tubular rivet was actually really difficult. So we looked and we looked and we looked, and hopefully we found the right item, which is $5 snap kit at Home Depot. And inside that snap kit, it has this little base and this little tool, which will hopefully set the tubular rivet. We'll link this below in the description. But very cheap, hopefully it works.
What are we doing now?
Removing the rivet. And then this is the replacement part, and this will go, so we'll slide in there, and there you go. Off Amazon, $14 a piece. Kind of sucks, they're like cast aluminum.
So this is the part
That broke off.
broke.
You have to, as you can see, with the awning all the way down, you can't get this to slide in there because of the bolt. So you will need to bring up your awning a little bit. Yeah, this bolt. So you want to bring up your awning a little bit. Might be this way, actually.
It should have a punch, but I can't find them since I just got a new toolbox and everything's in disarray. So small Phillips head screwdriver works just as well.
And the broken piece. So instead of trying to build it in the frame, we just took this part out. Should be a lot easier. Put this back in. There we go.
Okay, so we're doing this one over here too?
Oh yeah, we broke them both.
Yep.
Snip, snap.
Okay, now this, you gotta extend the arm a little bit to get past the bolt.
We can do all this in the garage.
Let's go to the shop. Okay, so let me make sure we're doing this right. Let's give it a try. I think it'll work. That looks good, man. So now we replace this part. Dan's gonna put back on these screws that keep it from sliding off, and that's pretty much it. Okay, and the tools you'll need, first and foremost, the thing to set the tubular rivet, which we just picked up this general snap fasteners kit from Home Depot. And it has this thing in here and a base, so it'll help you close that rivet. All this will have a link in the description below. And then a drill, 5/32 drill bit took it out. A Robertson screw, it's kind of a square head. We use this little screwdriver as a punch to get the rivet out once we had it loose. A hammer and a pair of dikes, just in case. And this is pretty much all you should need. And the replacement parts, we found them on Amazon, and also there'll be a link in the description below as well. Okay, and that's it. That was pretty simple. What do you think, Dan?
Once we figured out what we were doing, it went a lot simpler.
Always when you're doing stuff yourself, make sure you read the instructions and do things properly. You don't want to damage your awning. It's very expensive to have replaced.
You can always go online and research it. I mean, this is a good one to look at. You can see what we did. One of the things we didn't show in the tools that we did were safety glasses. There are a lot of metal shards that are going around. But as you can tell, I wear glasses, so I don't wear safety glasses.
So really the message is more to me, but he's correct. It only takes one time to get a piece of metal in your eye and it'll really cause a problem. With a simple, easy fix like this probably cost us hundreds, but it's always good to grab your brother and get her done. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. We're RV Foodies. That was a pretty simple fix.
And like I said last time, bring the tools you need and sometimes the ones you don't.
Remember those days, those L's I couldn't sleep.
Oh, I had it. Hold on to the equipment you're using. Makes doing the job a lot simpler.
And have someone filming everything, that way you can see where you went wrong.
Work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down the ride, you weren't down the ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide.